How to connect Cloud AI to N8N. So let's get started. So first thing you want to do is get your Cloud API key. So go to your Anthropic console and navigate to the API keys section and then create a new key, give it a name, then copy the generated API key. Then you want to add the AI agent node in N8N. So open your N8N workflow and add an AI agent node and click on the chat model setting within the node. Then choose Anthropic from the list of available models. Then click Create New Credential. Then what you need to do next is authenticate with your API key. So paste the copied API key into the credential settings and then save the credential. Then lastly, you want to do is configure the AI agent node. So you may need to configure the AI agent further with a system prompt and user input. Depending on your specific needs, refer to Anthropic's documentation for guidance on prompt engineering. And that's how you can basically connect Cloud AI to N8N.